Welcome to Voodoo Matrix tutorial. This indicator is a part of Voodoo Indicators collection, which you can buy by clicking the link down below the video. This indicator is mostly a timing tool, but it also gives you a lot of information about the current price action, including volatility, momentum, and trend. I use it mostly for scalping, but it's also very useful in timing your trends with different strategies. So let's start from range and trend readings. Whenever you see range, the price action is most likely to consolidate. Whenever you see trend, it's most likely to expand its movements. It comes along with the histogram down there, showing you more accurate reading on the current volatility. Also, whenever you see trend, it doesn't mean that the price action will start moving into a bigger trend. It does only mean that it will be more volatile and you can expect more juicy movements on the price action. Let's go to momentum oscillators. We'll start from the white one, which is the most important for scalping and timing. It is the fastest moving oscillator. Its formula is based on stochastics RSI. You can change its settings here in the fast oscillator and also the RSI. Higher the values will mean this indicator will be less volatile. Lower values mean it will be more volatile. The blue one is based on the same formula as the white one, and you can change its settings here in the slow, K-smooth, and slow oscillator. By changing the RSI, you will change the RSI setting for both of them, and this is made on purpose. Then you have the yellow oscillator, which is basically stochastics, and you can change its settings in the stochastics KD or smooth. Whenever the white oscillator enters the buy or sell zone, and the buy and sell zone are separate from the overbought and oversold zone, which you can see here, and we'll talk about it in a minute, it will provide you a background flash of red or green, and you can change the settings of the buy and sell zone here. So lower the values in sell zone and higher the values in buy zone will give you more readings. As you can see right now, I just changed the value and it's providing you more buy readings. But I found myself that sticking to the default ones gives the best results, but you can experiment with them. And the buy and sell zone, it's different than the overbought and oversold zone, which settings you can change here, and they are indicated by those thin lines. Whenever you see the triangle up there or down there, it is showing you a change of the direction in the white oscillator, and it's just a confirmation tool because it provides you a confirmed change of direction. And also one more thing you can see on the price action chart, the candles are highlighted with the background color, and you can switch on and off this mode here in scalp mode selector. It will switch off the candles highlight, but it will still leave the background change in the matrix. So let's go to the last indication you can see in the matrix. It will be those squares down here. The red one, the upper row, is providing you an information on the short-term trend change, and the lower one is providing you a slower reading based on a different formula than the higher one. Whenever they change red or green, it provides you information about the trend direction, possible trend direction. The red will mean down, the green will mean up. Whenever they stay gray, it is the undecision time, and it's best to stay away from trading this price action. You can change the settings of the bottom one. The upper one is unchangeable, but the bottom one you can change with trend EMA length and look back. The length will basically change the value of the EMA used to calculate the lower one, and the look back will change the sensitivity of this indicator. So feel free to experiment with all the options. The settings I've put in the matrix are the default ones, are in my opinion the best ones, and I'm using them every day. But you can try to fine tune them to different assets and different price action as you want. I hope you did like this video, and see you in the next one.